Hi everyone! I don't know about you, but when the weather starts getting warm like it is right now, I love having people over for cookouts, and one of my favorite things to make are these Greek sliders. The recipe is super versatile. You can use any kind of meat you want, and then we're going to take the patties to the next level by adding fresh herbs, a little onion, and garlic. Does that sound good to you? Let's go make them. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these Greek sliders. I showed you how to make them on the stovetop, but you can also use your grill. And for this recipe and all my others, check out my website at mysweetgreek.com and my other videos here. Thanks so much for watching.